Are they admitting that Edward Masayon is a former member of the KOJC?
It's written there, sir.
Oh, yeah.
So
They admit.
that
So meaning, yang si Masayon, ang source of information mo.
one of the many.
One.
This also, Your Honor, is very concerning because one alleged policeman, Your Honor, was dressed as a policeman using police uniform, but it turned out to be a former member of the KOJC who testified during the Senate investigation, Your Honor. And his name is Edward Masayon, but he was made to wear as if his last name was Esclito. And this is really concerning, Your Honor, because the police is allowing certain members, former members, disgruntled members who testified even against the accused as one of their alleged policemen. May we ask General Torre about this, Your Honor?
You answer the question.
What is their issue, sir?
Ang former member ng KOJC na pinasuot niyo ng uniforme at pinapasok doon sa loob.
Are they admitting, sir, that Edward Masayon is a former member of the KOJC?
Huh?
Are they admitting that Edward Masayon is a former member of the KOJC?
It's written there, sir.
Oh, yeah.
So
They admit.
that bolsters our allegation that we have credible informants regarding the presence of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
So meaning, yang si Masayon, ang source of information mo.
One of the many.
One. Kailan ito tiniwalag? Kailan niyo tiniwalag ito from QJC? Kailan ito?
Your Honor, because of course, if we want to get information as to the whereabouts of Pastor Kibuloy, we cannot get it from our other resource persons from the other end of the table because they are all believers of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Okay.
I think you get the drift, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Kailan niyo ito tiniwalag sa church niyo?
Matagal na, sir. Kasi
How many years?
I'm not sure. I'll check. We'll check with our HRMD kasi lahat naman po nung umaalis sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ, meron po yung process at meron pong memo. So, before this matatapos to, ang tanong, yung mga tinatawag nila na witnesses nila at mga nag-i-intel kung nandun talaga si Pastor Kibuloy. Tama ba, sir? Tatanong ko lang po, Mr. Chair, kung dadamitan nila ng pulis at hindi pa napapatunayan kung sino yun.
Well, since General Torre admits that pinasuot nila ng uniform, did you admit na pinasuot niyo yung uniform yan? Okay. Inadmit nila yan na pinasuot nila yung uniform para makapasok doon sa loob. Then, nasa inyo na yan. Pwede nyo kasuhan yung nagsuot ng uniform at saka yung nagpapasuot ng uniform because he is not a policeman. So, we have prevailing laws prohibiting such act. So, bahala na kayo.
Okay. Thank
Inadmit
you po.
naman niya in open hearing na siyang nag-authorize. Okay.
Thank you po.
Please continue.
2016 po siya. 2016.
2016.
Opo.
So, 6 years ago. Or 8 years ago. So, do you think yung kanyang impormasyon ay still updated and reliable?
Sir, actually, ganito yon. Yung mga ginamit nila na siguro mga intel nila or asset, kasi minamask nila talaga. Tapos, siyempre, pinapapasok. Although alam namin, yan, mga dissidents yan yung mga false witnesses nila. Tapos pinapapasok nila. Kukwento ko lang sir saglit, nagsisearch na sila sa quarters namin, particularly my room. Hindi lang 20 times sila bumalik. Kaya nga, as now, hindi ako bumabalik sa room. Mayroon siyang kausap, ma'am, nandito na kami sa loob. Meaning to say, may nagdidiktar. Yun nga lang, yung mga umalis na, yung mga dissidents, yung mga false witnesses nila, matagal nang wala doon. Dumaan na yung COVID, dumaan na lahat kung ano-ano pa mga changes namin sa mga rooms namin, hindi na nila kabisado. Kaya si General Torre litong-lito, Pang ilang beses na siyang bumalik. Particularly my room, admittedly, because may lagusan talaga yon. May lagusan papunta sa main quarters dati, sa quarters ni Pastor, yung room ko. And they have violated it at, I don't know how many times anymore. May nagdidikta. Pabalik-balik, may nagdidikta. Hindi nila alam, nag-iiba. Siyempre, may mga changes tayo sa may mga renovations kami. So yung mga intel nila, yung mga asset nila, yung mga dati na obsolete na, sir. Kaya ngayon, ang dami nila hinahanap. Mali-mali na, sir, eh. Yun doon.
Talagang, this committee believes na yung kalang informant ay palpak.
As in failure.
Hindi nila nakuha si Pastor Kibuloy.
Opo, mission
So,
failure.
mali yung information na binigay.
Sir, ilang libo na po sila. Doon hata. Kasi dapat isang araw mahanap na nila. Tapos 13 days na. Doon na sila nakatira lahat. Yun lang naman ang namin dito po sa committee.
Okay,
Maraming
sige.
salamat, sir.